Garbage Family Show!
Hi Garbage Family Show friends, this is Roman. We received a bunch of requests for a closer look at our Recycle 77 truck. So we're going to make that happen. But stay tuned to the end of the video to see our recycle truck driver Carlos and his real recycle truck hard at work.
Hi, this is Gracey. I'm going to show you a close-up view of our recycling truck. Check it out. This is called a grabber. It grabs the bins. This is called a hopper. It's where we dump the bins. Let me show you where we keep our blade. We use this to push things down in the compactor. Our recycle truck goes 5 miles an hour, and that's pretty fast. This is our safety light. It helps people see us when we're driving. I can turn it on and off. Let me show you how we dump some cans. That's how you recycle. Let me open up the back of the truck and show you the hopper. This is where all the recycling goes. Thanks for watching Garbage Family Show. If you're new to this channel, pound that subscribe button and give this video a like.
Real quick, I would like to give a shout out to our friend Colin.
Yeah, and his sister Emma. Thanks for watching. Do you want to build a garbage truck like this? We put a video on our YouTube channel to show you how.
Here's Carlos in his recycling truck. Watch my dad trip at the end of this little clip. He walks backwards into a garbage can and almost falls down.
I almost fell.
Now this is me recording the truck, so it's a little more shaky, but now you can see exactly what I see. There's my dad. He makes me laugh. Let's watch one more can. A perfect dump! But that can was really dirty. Yuck! That should belong in the garbage. Hey friends, be sure to check out our new channel, The Gamer Family Show. Thanks for watching.